Hello, kids! Welcome to Learn with Zara. I'm Zara, and this is Benny. We are going to have so much fun learning our ABCs today. Today, we will learn the letter D. D says do, do, do. Oh. All these words start with D. D says do, 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 do. Dog and duck start with D. I like the D sound. D, 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 D says do. D is for dog. Duh, dog. D is for dog. Duh, dog. D is for duck. Quack. D is for duck. Quack, quack. D is for drum. Boom, boom. D is for doll. D is for door. Oh, D is for door. D is for donut. Hi. D is for donut. Woohoo! Drum starts with D. All these words start with D. D says do, do, do. Dog and duck start with D. Dog and duck with D. Dog and duck start with D. I love the letter D. Great learning today. Ho, ho. Subscribe to Learn with Zara. See you next time!